Hello, my name is Joyce Wood. I'm the Director of National Sales here at the beautiful Greenbrier Resort in White Sulphur Springs, West Virginia. Welcome to the Chesapeake Lawn and Terrace, a newly renovated space just for your groups. This area is centrally located on the property, offering easy access with stunning views of the building, lawns, and our West Virginia skies. The Greenbrier just completed several upgrades, including a beautiful surface on the terrace section and artificial grass turf in the lawn area, providing far more flexibility for your event. Tenting is always an option in this area for protection from the elements or to offer a more intimate feel. The Chesapeake Terrace and Lawn are ideal whether utilized during the day or evening hours, can be dressed up or down, and many other Greenbrier elements may be brought in, including falconry, lawn games, entertainment, and the list goes on. The Greenbrier invites you to use this newly renovated space at your next event.